going to keep the car running reliable and make it really, really robust. Hi guys, Brett here from Hearns Hobbies, and today I'd like to talk to you about our Fazer Pro Racing Package. So there's been so much interest about the Kyosho Fazer lately and all that it is to club racing, and even at bigger races. It's really selling out. Heaps of people are getting involved and interested, and for very good reason. So it represents great value, and a lot of good stuff comes in your box. So this one here is obviously the Chevy Camaro. This one here, and this is fine to put down on the track and have a run. It's going to be every bit as fast as the racing version here. But so these are the limited things that we've included in this Pro Racer package to get you up to speed and on the track having fun. So this kit might be ready to run, and as you buy it from us, from Kyosho, but it does not come with a battery and charger. So the first thing that we've put in the Pro Racing package is the Tornado C80 Charger, and that's a digital 80-watt charger, and that's going to charge up your 9 steps LiPo battery, and that's a high performance battery fit for racing. And these are really, really cool. This is what we use, and a lot of people down at the track use. And that's because they fit in the car really nice, they give great performance, and they're really good value. So this is the 9 steps battery. So we've got the Tornado C80 battery charger, we've got the 9 steps NSRC 4200 milliamp battery. So that's the first two things that's going to go in the kit. Now that's going to get you up and going. Now to get you going fast, we've included some sweet tires. Now these ones here, these are the 34 Hankook treaded, and I've found these to be really good in all conditions. So whether it's a car park, whether it's a racing track, race day, practice day, and they last a heck of a long time. So these are a really good value tire, and I recommend that we put these in our Pro Racing package. Then we've got an Aeromax 48 pitch 32 tooth pinion. Now the reason we put this in is because the car does come with a pinion gear, of course, but it's a plastic press-on unit. So this one being a performance alloy unit, it is the same tooth count and the same size as the factory pinion to keep it all fair and legal for racing, but it will be durable and it will last a long time. So that's not going to wear out in any time soon. That should get you at least a year or two racing alone. So that is something that that's a no-brainer to even think about. The next thing that we've included in our Pro Racer package is our beauty design Hyper HR Ultralight body. Now the beauty in this is that it looks really cool. It gives you the chance to paint up your own body, and the thing I like about the Hyper HR is that the body post lines line up perfectly with the body post. So it's by far like the easiest body I've ever fit to any RC race car. It actually fits the Fazer really, really well, and I've got one here on my very own car fitted with the same package. Now obviously I've painted that one up, it's not clear anymore, but that is the body, and you can see how well it fits. Really nice shape, really well fitted body. And these are the few things that you need to put you at the pointy end of the race field. So just to recap, we've got the Kyosho Fazer, that's a no-brainer. First thing you're going to need is the battery and charger. So we've got the C80 and the 9 steps 4200 milliamp racing pack. So that's going to get the car going. Now like I said, for performance, we've got the sweet tires in the Pro package. We've got a 32 tooth pinion. Again, it's going to keep the car running reliable and make it really, really robust. And again, for that extra bit, we've got the beauty design Hyper HR Ultralight body. So that is the Kyosho Fazer Pro Racing package, and I'm Brett from Hearns. Thanks for watching.